Nowadays I am continuing on this channel and I
Yeah.
have to improve more and more and I have to increase subscribers and I have to become with native speaker like Camly conversation video, Clippingo conversation
Okay.
video. Yeah, I have uploaded so many videos. His name was Rasu Bhakt,
Okay. Yes. And
and there was also one
was
king.
very small and there was no any boundary. But I
One.
think
Good
these days,
afternoon.
hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Finally, today we are talking. We are meeting
Yeah,
first time.
yeah, yeah. So much glad to talk to you.
Yeah, same to you. So, how is going on your day so far?
Yeah, it's going well. And what about your day? How is going your life?
Yeah, everything is going on very good, very fantastic. So, we are meeting for the first time. So, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Anil Kumar, and I am from Bihar, and I'm a
Okay.
student as well as also a teacher. I teach in private school, and I run a YouTube channel, YouTube,
Oh, that's
and
good.
yeah, my channel name is Ligro Spoken English Institute, and
Okay.
yes. And if I talk about my hobby, so I have nothing special hobby, just like teaching and making video for YouTube, and life is all about to become a teacher.
Oh, that's hobbies. You are not saying that, yeah, it's not good hobbies. Hobbies means, yeah, if you like, then you can say, yeah, it's my hobby. So, you like making videos, so it's your hobbies.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so which subject do you teach?
I teach only English subject.
Oh, that's good. So I think you are not learner. You are already you are English teacher, so your English would be very good.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. So
I always
let
think
me
that I'm a learner and I have not that much knowledge, so I have to learn so many things.
okay, so let me tell about myself.
Yeah,
As
yeah,
you know, my name is Priyanka Gupta. Also, I'm a teacher. I teach in primary school, and I have to teach all subject. There is no any specific subject. And I have a one daughter. She's a 5 years old. And about my, if I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my post graduation in two subjects, Hindi and history, and as well as I have qualified NET exam. And these days I am preparing for assistant professor.
wow,
And
great.
about my hobbies, so my hobbies are teaching, cooking, and making. Also, I'm making video, but with my daughters on Instagram. And these days, I'm running my YouTube channel because I want to enhance my communication skill. And I live in Greater Noida. That's all.
Wow,
So,
great.
okay. So, how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it has been more than 2 years.
Oh, that's good. So when did you think that you should start your YouTube channel and which type of content do you upload on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, on my YouTube channel, I upload like English content video and sometimes blog video and
You are
yeah,
a blogger.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's good.
blog, yeah. Sometimes like I
Okay.
have uploaded yeah 3 or 4 videos like that.
Okay, so you upload all content like blogging, your English related video on your same channel. Yeah, you have a two to three channel.
No, only one channel. I have another
Okay.
one my channel. So on that channel is also about English. So there I
Okay.
upload like Hindi to English video. So on that channel I have subscribers like around above 500 subscribers. Yeah.
Okay.
On this channel I have above 4K subscribers. So
Wow,
nowadays
that's great.
nowadays I am continuing on this channel and I
Yeah,
have to
that's
improve
good.
more and more and I have to increase subscribers and I have to become a great YouTubers. It's my desire.
Good, good. Yeah, definitely you can achieve your goals. Yeah, if you will hard work, so definitely you can achieve your goals. So who
Yeah.
suggested you started your YouTube channel? Because you have been your YouTube channel last 2 years, so it's a long period. So who
Yeah.
suggested you?
Like no one suggested me to start YouTube channel. When I was watching the video of other YouTubers, so that time I also thought that they are coming on mobile, they are coming on TV, they are people are watching them. So why should I not make that type of video? Why should I not show myself on mobile, on video, on laptop, anywhere, and in all
Yes.
over the world? Yeah. So I thought that I have to learn English and I have to make video, and one day people will also watch me. So I thought, and I started making video.
Okay. So, which type of blogging do you make?
Like only like tourist blogging. Yeah, sometimes if I am going to any beautiful place or wonderful place, so there
Okay,
I
okay. They are traveling, related to traveling.
traveling.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because I saw lots of person they make blogging everyday routine, morning to evening. They upload that video on YouTube channel. So I was thinking, yeah, you make that type of video. Okay,
Yeah,
so how is going on your English journey?
yeah, my English journey is going good, but it's not going as much good as I think.
Okay. So also you uploaded, yeah, like a conversational video. Yeah, you teach on any blackboard. Yeah, your student. Then you upload that type of video.
Yeah, I have uploaded many types of videos, like my English spoken class video, like teaching video on whiteboard, blackboard, and also like making conversation video with my students, with my friends, and also like conversation video with native speaker, like Cambly conversation video, Clippingo conversation
Okay.
video. Yeah, I have uploaded so many videos on my YouTube channel.
Okay, that's good. So what is your qualification and how long have you been teaching?
My qualification, like I am doing BA, so it's my second year.
Uh,
BA English. My yeah, my honors paper is English.
okay,
Yeah, and I have been teaching more than 2 or 3 years.
okay. After
Yeah,
pandemic, you started teaching.
yeah.
So right now you live in Bihar, yeah, other place.
No, I live in Bihar,
Okay, which district?
Siwan.
Okay,
Do you know
Sivan
Siwan?
Chhapra. Yes, I know Sivan Chhapra. I have visited Thave temple. There is a Gopalganj district. So there,
Yes.
yeah, it is very famous temple Thave. Have you visited there?
Yeah, I have visited there so many times. Like
Yeah,
it is only 10 kilometers far from my home.
oh, that's good. Yeah, I think yeah, it's a historical place, and also yeah, there is a one stories like tigers related and some
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
stylish.
There was, yeah, there was a like you can say a devotee of Ma Durga,
Right.
and his name was Rasu Bhakt.
Okay. Yes. And
And there was also one king. He was living there. Like there is a great story behind this.
yeah, I listen about I heard about the story, and also I have visited, but I have visited only one times. But I want to go there. Definitely, I will go again.
Yeah, yeah. So, when you come there, so also please tell me. I will also go there and I will also meet you. Okay, because it's only about 9 or 10 kilometers far from my home. So
Yeah, yeah.
I
So
it will take only 20 minutes or 25 minutes to go there.
okay. Yeah, this time I think temple has been changed.
Yeah, like
When
about
I went to there, so that time temple was very small and there was no any boundary. But I
one.
think yeah, the wall boundary that time when actually I went to there, I think 10 to 12 years ago.
Yeah, there had been so many changes, like about temple, about decoration, about construction work,
Yes.
and compared to before, nowadays construction work is going good and it has developed. But if you talk about like forest, plants, and big trees, so many trees had been cut.
Okay. So, what is the famous in your city apart from this temple in Siwan?
In Siwan, famous like already a great person about Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it is our first president of country.
Yeah, his native place is Siwan in Jiradei. Village name is Jiradei, and
Yeah,
Siwan district. Yeah, and his home is also situated there in Jiradei, but
yes.
no one lives in that home. Like that is a big home, and also by the name of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, there is
Have you
a
seen?
school
Have
there.
you
Yeah,
seen?
no, I have not been there, but I will
Okay,
go there.
okay.
I will
Yeah,
go there.
actually, you live near to. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. One day I will go. My elder brother, yeah, he has visited there, and also my father.
Okay, so how many member are there in your family?
I have big family.
Okay, your family is a joint family. It's nice. Nowadays, we can't see joint family. Every person lives separate in a
Yeah,
nuclear family. So it's a
yes.
good.
But and we can enjoy and we can be a strong in joint family.